that little shadow line, we're gonna pop a shot right in that shadow.
Most recently, over the last couple of weeks, we've been averaging around 2 feet of snow each of the last weeks and this past 7 days.
Go ahead, light, Doug. Okay, hold here.
So what that means is, in order to prep for the event and get the mountain ready, it involves just constant monitoring of the snowpack.
And throw. Okay, let's go forward and then up into the chute here above us.
Trying to figure out exactly what our control plan will be for the day. Unfortunately, being the highest elevation skier in North America sets us up for getting what's called depth hoar. Essentially, you get these faceted snow crystals at the bottom of the snowpack. We average, somewhere between over 400 inches of snow a year, and a lot of years we'll get over 500 inches of snow, but almost every year on a lot of aspects we end up with basal facets and depth hoar at the ground, which always creates the potential for a deep slab avalanche running to the ground even in March, as we're seeing.
And cut her right up in here to our left in the shade. Okay, and throw. Clear. Okay.
Silverton Mountain is all advanced and expert terrain, and so that's kind of what makes us unique, is that there's no easy way down it.